Alrighty guys, real quick, y'all recognize that exit? Yes, that is the exit to one Mr. Pull Apart. I'm going out here, guys. I'm chasing a PCM for a 2004 model PT Cruiser that I'm working on for a client of mine. Now, the computer said there was 2 out here that hasn't been out here that long. Hopefully, the damn PCMs are under the hood. Guys, go with me. We about to find out real quick. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, I'm here now. I've heard there's some rule changes. This is a different one that I normally go to.
What's that? I don't meet the boss, but I got that UKT.
How you know?
What's going on? What's that? I be watching all your videos.
Oh, that's what's up, man. Oh, you talking about YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I follow you, Fluffy Mechanic.
Fluffy Mechanic,
Yeah,
you know, fuck up.
I also follow
Alex, that's my dude. He right here in Georgia too. Yeah, he right here in Georgia.
Yeah, it was surprised to see you here. I was like, you look like JT.
That's what's up, man. Good to meet you, man. Alright guys, I'm in Pull Apart. Did y'all see that little exchange? My man said he followed Fluffy Mechanic. He followed Alex the car doctor. And he also followed one Mr. JT the car guy online mechanic tip. That was cool as hell. Alright, I got work to do. So, y'all know the mission. Y'all know why I'm here. I don't have a damn go-kart, so as you can see, I'm freaking walking. Alright, but we're gonna make it do what it do, man. Let's get it. Oh, alrighty guys. So 407 is the locate 407 and 415. Since we close to the 407, let's see if this PT Cruiser 407 and 147 showed up 613. Guys, that was a couple of weeks ago. So what are the chances that damn PCM in this car? Very great. 04 model. Remember, if you're dealing with a PCM of this year, the part number of the PCM has to match. These computers didn't come empty, okay? When you order these, hey, please let this be it, because I can see the PCM from here. What year is this? Damn! It's an 08. I hope they didn't get this wrong. I said 04. Uh-oh, I see another one down there. Woo! I was getting a little frustrated. Why did that door open? Somebody been robbing this car. Please let this be a 04. This is what I need. Ladies and gentlemen, drum roll, please. Ta-da! Yes, we in luck. Now, put my side job bag down. Please let the PCM be under here. Ladies and gentlemen, it is... No! Oh my goodness. The freaking Pete. Oh my God. Who the hell robbed this car? Just got here 2 weeks ago. Oh my freaking goodness. Sometime they'll have them. God dang it. All right, I can't waste time. We got to head down to, where are we going? 415. We got to go to row 415. God dang it. Guys, that's not good. The one at 415 been here longer than this one. Where we at? 408, 409, 410. Oh my freaking goodness. You talking about 411, 412. Dang. 413. Please, here. Please, y'all cross your fingers for your boy, because it's gonna be a big ass waste of everything if this PCM. Please let it be here. What number we at? I think this is 415, right? All right, so it has to be on this row. Y'all cross your fingers. Cross your fingers. Oh my goodness. If it's that blue one right there, I see the freaking front grill off of it. What are the chances the PCM is in it? Come on, y'all. Cross your fingers for your boy. Ladies and gentlemen, drum roll, please. Yes! Yes! Oh, hell yeah. Put that down. Get the hell out the way. Condenser. All right, get all this crap out the way. This is what I want. Oh, my goodness. I thought this was going to be a wasted trip. Where's my damn 10 millimeter? All right, guys. Y'all, please forgive me of my excited nature. I should have my 10mm already on deck. Cause I know what I was coming for, what I was only coming for. On top of that, when you know exactly what you specifically coming for, you don't waste a lot of time. Get your ass off of here. Woo! You talking about your boy is freaking happy. Come on, dog. Get on here. Yes. I am one happy cameraman. Now, guys, y'all see this? This is a PDC. This is an 04 model. Y'all remember the tip-em didn't show up to the 2006 models. Okay? So, that's why you don't see a tip-em on this car. That was new technology back in 06. Yes. Your boy was around. Killing it. Okay? Yes. I am so freaking... Come on here. I don't care about none of this. And you don't have much difference. Like, that's what I mean by getting one with the same part number. In 2004, there was not a lot of options as far as, I mean, when you start dealing with things like fog light, if the car is equipped with fog lights, that's the job of another module. PCM stands for engine control module. Basically only interested in engine functions. Okay, so yeah, 291, that's for 04 model. It's standardized. It's all rusty. It like water got in here. I don't care as long as it works. Now, let me go over something real quick because I want to make this quick. I got to get out of here. If you see, this has been ripped out already. If you don't have the luxury that I have, this is all I need. If you don't have the computers to, this is not plug and play, guys, so don't get it twisted. Let me go over this with you real quick. Okay, so the luxury I have by coming out and get a used PCM is I have the capability to marry this PCM to the existing car. Okay, so yeah, it's all about scan tools at this point, all right? But if you don't, oh yeah, here's a way around that, guys. You can still use this, but you will have to get the skim module off the steering wheel, which is missing, is gone. You will have to get, just the skim module. 3 things to avoid having to go to a shop or dealership and get this program. You need this, the skim module, and basically the key in order to prevent from having to re-key your lock cylinder. Yeah, there's no key in this car. So if I was this random Joe Blow off the street, that is what I would be looking for. Ooh, somebody smashed this all up. But I have the luxury, like I said, this is all I need. I'm just going to marry this to the existing car. If you don't have those luxuries, you will have to marry the car to your PCM by way of not flash. It's not a flash program. It is simply you telling because these cars are equipped with factory alarm. You telling the computer, hey, it's okay to marry this car. Now the key code, you will have to get the key code, the skim code, and go in and program the skim module to this PCM, or tell your skim module that a new PCM has been installed, and it's going to look for that information and basically initialize, okay, marry. All right, that's what I mean by that. So I don't have to worry about all that. But if it was you, and again, I don't want to repeat myself, if it was you, you would have to do that. Unfortunately, that's not the case here because there's no key or skim module. All right, anybody else? PT level. Peter, what's up, man? You need anything off of here? I'm about to go, dog. I'm playing, guys. PTs is not as popular as they used to. However, those that still have them want to hang on to them. Neon, what? 69 Dartman. You need anything off of here? 69 freaking Dartman. It's your boy JT. I'm out at Pull Apart. Got a what year is this thing? I can't tell. It's in the back, but old technology, man. I was around when all this stuff was banging, man. Dual overhead cam engine. No, single overhead cam. Am I right? Who can vouch for this? If you got valves over here, chances are it should be I don't know. It looked like a World engine, so they was kind of different. But yeah, all these old Chrysler models. Damn, somebody brought a Hemi up here. This is like a 300, and nobody need a Hemi. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know what that is. The old 3. This is another cam and block. It's not a Hemi, but it's a cam and block engine, guys. This is why the 3.6 Pentastar showed up. This engine was no longer to withstand the stringent specifications for emissions. All right, yeah, we could not add variable valve timing. We could not add MDS solenoids to this just to meet emissions. So we just soon get rid of it. All right, and we brought in the all too popular 3.6 Pentastar. Yes, it's popular, even though it's got a few problems. It's still popular But now that Pentastar can really keep up emission. Guys, here's this connector I always talk about as far as your oil light flickering. Remember I tell y'all to come out here and get a connector, or you know, it's this little white tab right here. Pull that out, get rid of that. Your oil light flickering should go away. All right, I can't stay out here long. I got what I need. I'm one happy camper with my damn PCM. Let me get the hell up out of here. I can't be out here all day because I got some videos to edit. So what I'm gonna do is simple. Load up and go. See how quick that was? This customer is gonna be, oh, her problem. She have a misfire in cylinder 2, I wanna say. It's really not but 4 cylinders on that car. It's a 4-cylinder car. Man, I used to have one of these Pacificas, dog. Mine was an 05. Is this mine? Because I sold mine to pull apart. I bet if I go through this glove box and see some personal stuff relating to JT. Oh, somebody already. Yeah, I used to have one of these. I sold it to pull apart because I didn't need it. It was just taking up space, and they gave me $450 for it. I was like, take it. Take that mother sucker. Ooh, 2010? All right. I've been out here too long. Look, there go another one. If you need, guys, let me explain something to you. If you need a part that's been discontinued, say for instance, on the this truck right here, as a matter of fact, this look like a, well, the trucks. This is Durango, but the trucks, the skim module is discontinued. That's not the end of your truck. Just come out here and get a used skim module again, but you will have to get it programmed. All right, caliber, look like a caliber. Yeah, these are all old technology, boy. I was the king of all these cars. 2009. That's what model mine is. Hey man, I need to tip them. I might well. Did they gotta tip them? Holy sh! Holy, dude! I'm about to get this. Holy! Oh hell no! My y'all know my brake light problem. Oh hell yeah! I got a brake light problem. The window switch gone. This is an 09 model. This is what I need, guys. I've been riding around with no brakes for freaking ever. All right, I got to put y'all on hold and grab some tools and get this off of here. I didn't come out here for this, but hold tight. I'll be right back. Well, look what we have here. Same year, same everything. Chances are I got the same engine, so same features. So chances are this is the exact. Now here's what I'm afraid of. They're going to try to charge me. Look, somebody just put it down. Wait a minute. Please don't tell me they couldn't get the brakes to work right, so they decided to trash. This is what I mean by sorry ass mechanics. Mechanics will attempt to repair, the repair will fail, and they'll just advise the customer, yeah, if I were you, I'd just get rid of it. Y'all some whack ass mechanics if y'all out there doing it. Everything on the car is fixable. Just matter how much money the customer want to spend. All right, got a PCM and a tipper. Do I need anything out of here? No sir. JT, let me get the hell up out of here. This sucker was clean. Oh my goodness. Whole lot cleaner than mine. I got shit everywhere in mine. All right, guys, that's all I have. That's a wrap. Look at that plane. I'm not too far from the airport. Y'all see them? Zoom in on that. That look like Southwest. You know, the cheap airline. Will it even make it? Yeah. Technology, boy. Look at this. Wonder what section that is. That's look like the Toyota section. Look at all them damn broke ass Toyotas. All you Toyotas lovers out there, y'all see this? Do y'all see this? People look at me like I'm crazy. Broke ass Toyota. Toyotas last forever. Get you a Toyota or a Lexus. They don't never break. You don't have to put coolant in them or nothing. These Chryslers are a piece of junk. Man, you don't shut up with that. Let me stop playing. I'm for real, y'all. I gotta go because I'm out of time. I see y'all tonight on the live stream. Today's Sunday. Look, there go another PT. PTs are out here plentiful. All right, I'm done. I gotta go. Thanks for watching. Okay. How much is that PCM, BCM rather, and this
6702.
damn, for that PCM? Got a warranty on it?
30 days. So for both of them, it'd be 10812.
Why is it so high?
That one is 3396.
Oh, dang,
But this one does have a port charge of $7. If you bring another one back,
I'm closer to the east. If I take it to them, when
yeah, you can do it over there with the receipt.
All right, cool. I thought he was gonna hit me up for individual few. Appreciate it, bro.
Yes, sir. You have a good one.
Not bad at all. Well, so I'm just gonna pass this charges on to her, okay? And my time to come out here, guys. Yes, I have no choice. Yeah, now I'm about to get some damn brake lights. I know, guys. Y'all remember that last video I put up where, you know, I gotta tip them off of eBay and it came with no guts in it. Oh, I was pissed. Well, anyway, I don't want y'all to see my junk in my van there, so I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna try to end it again. I got what I needed. We'll go from there, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.